Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are ready with this week's angel card reading. I'm Chandana Banerjee. I'm an angel card reader, tarot card reader, health coach, artist, and author, and a homeschooling mom. So what I did was again, I used my favorite deck, which is the Archangel Oracle deck. I shuffled the cards and laid it out in a fan shape and picked three cards randomly. So these are the messages for all of you. Like I said before, maybe all the messages will resonate with you, or maybe just one of the cards will resonate with you. Either ways, these are positive messages from our angels, and this is how they're guiding us this week. The first card is Brilliant Idea. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. If you've been thinking about an idea about launching a project, a business, or you want to start a new creative venture, or you want to do something which you've been thinking about and pondering about for a very long time, then this week you can start taking action on it. So because you have everything this week is telling you that this is a good time to go ahead with that project, that idea, and you have the blessings from the heavens to go ahead with it. Again, as you go to work towards it, start working towards it rather than just thinking and planning. Now is the time to start putting one foot in front of the other and taking those steps to make that idea come to life. The second card is Prioritize. Focus on your highest priorities. I will help you get organized and motivated. Archangel Metatron. In this now that you started taking those baby steps towards bringing that idea into fruition, this is also the time to start prioritizing. Instead of running helter-skelter here, there, getting attracted to that idea, then thinking maybe I should not do this or maybe I should do that. Instead of getting scattered, make a list. Sit with a paper and pencil and write down step by step as to how you want to bring that idea into a practical form. Also, it's not about just one idea, but in this week, rather than feeling scattered, I think prioritizing and also praying on it, whether you pray to angels, whether you pray to God, whether you pray to ascended masters, whoever, or to everybody, when you write your list, also say a short prayer on getting help in helping you set the process in motion. So this is the card, Prioritize. The third card is Sensitivity. Archangel Haniel says, you are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. So this is for all of those of you who are intuitive, who every now and then get bursts of intuition and become sensitive to other people's vibes and energies. If that is the case with you and you are going through that phase when you are picking up on other people's energies, you're picking up on vibes, and then don't over guess yourself and don't over criticize yourself. Instead, go in a quieter place, go into a quieter place, nurture yourself and accept that you are intuitive and these are things that you're picking up on. Also, if you pick up on energetic vibes, then do some grounding rituals to ground yourself and honor your energies and safeguard your energies. Okay, so these are the three cards. Let me show you one final time. If you would like to see these cards, the picture of of this week's 3-card reading is on the thumbnail. So do check it out. And you can also follow me on Insta and on Facebook for more card readings. I also do a weekly tarot card reading. And for that, so you can check that out on my Insta and Facebook. And I am kind of thinking of coming up with a daily card reading. It can be an angel card or it can be a tarot card about daily messages that we get from our guides on leading that day. For that, I might be making very tiny live videos. And those will be available on my social media accounts. So do follow me on my social media. Do like and subscribe to this channel if you would like weekly readings as well as other videos on wellness, sustainability, homeschooling, and working from home. So I will see you next week. Bye-bye.